If you're looking to create a GIF from a video, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly this using Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we need to open our video into Photoshop, and I do recommend that you trim your video first so that you're only working with the piece that you want to turn into a GIF. So I'm going to go ahead and import my video. Okay, so with the clip imported, what we need to go ahead and do is go up to File, we need to go to Export, and we need to choose Save for Web. Photoshop does a little bit of processing, and then it will bring up this window here. It will show your image or GIF really zoomed in like this. Don't worry, it will export it normally. Now, as you can see in these settings, I already have GIF selected, but you may have just JPEG selected. So when you see this window, you need to go ahead and change this to GIF. We can go ahead and play with the settings here, so I could make this GIF 64 dithered. And with that selected, all we then have to do is go down to Save, and then simply give our GIF a name and a new place to live. Okay, now if we go and find our folder with the GIF in, I'll just drag this up here. Now here is the file that we've just created. Now if I open this, you can see it's just playing back as a looping GIF that will keep playing endlessly. And that's all you need to know about the basics of creating a GIF in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.